How to add a collaboration in Instagram post or reel. So the first thing you have to do is open up your Instagram, and if you want to add a collaborator after posting, you have to head over to your profile section at the bottom right corner. Then from here on out, you just need to simply go ahead and tap on the post where you want to add a collaborator. And from here, you just need to simply go ahead and choose the post. So let's say if I want to add a collaborator on this post. I'm just going to go ahead and click on the three dots at the top right. And then from here, you will have an option to edit. Tap on edit and then click on add collaborators right up top. And once you've done that, tap anywhere on the photo to add a collaborator. So let's say if I just tap right here, I'm just going to search for a username and then tap on it. Now once you search for it, tap on done at the top right. And once they accept your collaboration request, both of your names will be shown on the post. So let me just switch to my other account to show you guys. Now here I have switched back to my other account, and as you can see here, they have tagged me in this post. So if I just tap on it, I should be able to accept the collaboration. So let me just head over to my notification quickly and then just refresh your notification. Now all you need to do is get back to your profile and tap on the tagging option. Here, tap on this tagged post. And if you want to show this to your profile, you could do that. Tap on tag options and then click on, if you want to remove it, you could remove it from here. And now after doing that, you have successfully accepted the collaboration request. Now both of your names will be shown on the post. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.